Hello, I hope you guys doing good today. My name is Caridad. For those new ones here, considering subscribing. Over here you can find unboxing, hauls, product reviews, home decor, and more. In today's video, I just want to share with you another unboxing, and this time in this box right here, I actually pick a few items of the new Chanel collection fall winter 2021. So this is one of these items. So right now I think it's a pair of earrings. So let's open this box right now. I grabbed the wrong box before, so this is the right box. Let's open it and see what it is, because like I say, and we have right here this pretty box, this wrap bag. Let's open it with a beautiful camellia, and this is the receipt. Seems heavy. Let's see. Okay, so yes, it's a pair of earrings. Let's open it. With that being said, let me take off this one because
I'm gonna have to try the other ones, right? Of course, I'm gonna clean it up first and everything.
this is this beautiful earrings right here. Oh wow, this is from the new collection. I love they are not super long, because I was very scared that they will be too big or too long, but they are actually very, very stunning. They are stunning. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. And they have in the back, right here in the bottom, very small, the stamp. And it seems like over here the small silver CC is attached by a screw, which is pretty cool because it's not like nothing glue on or nothing like that. So then we have here little tiny pearls. Online they look bigger, but they're not too big, which is very, very nice. I like that. Wow, I love it. I love it. I was worried that they will be too big, and I'm not like, I don't like big things, especially this that has so many cc's. So I was wishing for this to be very nice size like it is. I have to say it's very light, like super light. It feel like I had nothing on my ears. Actually, the little stud earrings that I have, I'm gonna, this one right here, is, it feel heavier than this. I love this. And I actually ordered the studs by themselves. So let's see. I will show you, of course, those. Oh wow, but I love it. I think this will make an statement piece, you know, dressing up, because it look very like more formal, but I'm pretty sure you can use it for any occasion, of course. And this is a metal truss and glass pearl, gold, silver, crystal, and pearly white. I'm gonna leave you the reference numbers down below right here too. But look at this, guys. They are so pretty. Wow, I just love it. So let me know, guys, what you think about this one. This is something very, very pretty. I will advise you to contact UCA. If it's not too much help, just call channel customer service and ask them in what location or what store have this available, and then you can always call a CA in that store, or tell yours where it is. But I love it. Beautiful statement piece, a forever piece right here. So light. You have everything as you use. I love the multiple colors. Like, I love the silver, I love the champagne gold, and the pearls, the crystals, because you can go with absolutely anything. As you use gold or silver, it will go with pearls, anything. They are very, very classy, look very pretty, very nice. I just in love with it. Very, very nice. So thank you very much for watching. I'm very happy that you guys stopped by. I hope you guys enjoyed this small unboxing. I really want to do it very quick, and I'm going to try to upload it very quick for you guys, because I know this is a new collection and probably going to be sold out fast. They have a lot of pretty things. Don't forget to share, to comment in the box down below, and don't forget to smile, because you are beautiful. See you soon and have a wonderful day. Bye.